First, draw a rectangle. Select the rectangle and convert it to a curve. Now choose the Shape tool, select the top two nodes, and from the toolbar click on Reflect Nodes horizontally. After that, press and hold the Shift key, then drag the nodes inward to close the top shape. Next, use the bottom handle to drag upward and adjust the shape according to your design. This will create a custom base shape for the text. Now select the text. Go to the top menu and click Effects and then in drop menu Envelope. The envelope docker will open. Click on Create Envelope From, then click on the custom shape you created earlier. You will notice that your text automatically fits into that shape. Now make 2 copies of the text. Now select the bottom text and choose Send to back of page so it moves behind the front text. Change one copy's color to yellow. Change the other copy's color to red. Now fill gradient colors in yellow text by the help of Interactive Fill tool and adjust it. Select the Blend tool. Click on the top text first and drag it towards bottom text. This will create a smooth blend between the two texts. You will instantly see a beautiful 3D depth effect. Now select the bottom text and adjust the blend settings to enhance the depth. And there you go. Your professional 3D typography design is ready. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss upcoming design tutorials. See you in the next video with another creative design technique.